Hello, today we're going to talk about order of operations. The order of operations is pretty simple because we're going to go through the same process for every problem. Our first step is to start performing operations, which are multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, within your grouping symbols. Next, we have to multiply and divide in order from left to right. And our final step is to add and subtract in order from left to right. I'm about to talk about the grouping symbols, so if you would like, please pause the video at each slide so you can fully understand what I'm talking about. There are three types of grouping symbols: braces, brackets, and parentheses. I consider each of them a different level. Level 3 is for braces, and they look like squiggly lines. They are the biggest level of symbols, almost like a school. The second level of grouping symbols is called brackets. They go inside of braces. Consider them like the first and second floor of the school. And the first level is parentheses. They're like the rooms on a floor, and they are the ones that you're going to start with. So let's begin with this problem. Take a minute and write it down. Our first step is to start with the lowest amount of grouping, and that would be our parentheses inside of our brackets, moving from left to right. So we found that 4 plus 2 is 6, and we bring all of our remaining numbers down. Then we move on to the second parentheses. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Each time we perform an operation, we must bring down all of our remaining numbers. We are now going to solve inside of our bracket. 6 minus 1 equals 5, and we rewrite our remaining numbers. Finally, we're going to move to step 2, which is multiplication. 3 times 5 equals 15, our final answer. This second problem, you should probably pause the video so that you can begin to write it out. We look inside of our braces to find a bracket, and then we see our parentheses, so we're going to start there with 3 plus 9. Again, we're going to bring down all of our remaining numbers. Then we're going to look inside of our bracket and see that we need to divide 12 by 2, which gives us 6, and rewrite the remaining numbers. After we finish our brackets, we'll move on to our braces. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Again, we rewrite all of our remaining numbers and move on to step 2, multiplying and dividing in order from left to right. So 6 times 3 equals 18. And we bring down all of our remaining numbers. Now we move on to adding and subtracting in order from left to right. 18 plus 3 equals 21, our final answer. You did it! Have a nice day!